Hi guys, welcome to our channel Market Legit, and in today's video we are going to be showing you how to link a custom domain to a blogger site. That is, how to link your custom domain to your blogger site. And for today's video, I'm not going to be doing it alone. I'm going to be inviting my friend, the owner of Smart Hustlers. So guys, watch us as we do it together. And for today's video, we're going to be using our system to do it. So follow us our system. Okay guys, welcome back. As you can see, this is the front page of my system, and for today's video I'm going to be using my laptop to connect my custom domain to my blogger site. But if you don't have a laptop, you can actually use your phone. It's the same settings and the same style. All you have to do is to pay concentration on how I'm going to be doing it today. Enough of the story guys, let's get to the business of the day. All you have to do now is to log on to www.blogger.com and then you sign in. Wait for it to load and input the email you use in registering your blogger site. My email is already here, so I will just click on it. What you have to do now is to go to your blogger dashboard and click on the settings icon. Then you see a place where there is a custom domain. Click on the icon and input the domain which you've already bought. Like me, I bought a .in domain, so I'm going to be inputting my own .in domain which I have bought from Hostinger. Now I'm going to input it. I remember to start with a www. Now I'm going to be inputting www.trustappliance.in. Once you're done inputting the domain name, then you click on save to save the domain. Okay guys, I've still now let me invite my friend who now Smart Hustler, so he will come now and teach you the remaining part of this.
I have a .in domain. It doesn't matter if you have a .com domain, this works as well. Click save. Now it's asking us to enter the following two CNAMEs. I should add these two CNAMEs in my domain's DNS settings. So go back to your domain registrar. In my case, I have bought the domain from Hostinger. This should be similar with other domain registrars too. There should be an option called manage DNS next to the domain you have bought. Click on that and go to DNS name servers. Now as you can see, there's a bunch of records here. We have to add CNAME records. So the first record is let me zoom in. The first record is www and the destination is this one. So let me go back to my register dashboard. Remember, you should delete the www record if it's already existing in your DNS settings. In my case, as you can see, it's already there, so I delete that one. And to add a new one, I'll select CNAME. Name is www. The target, I'll copy the target from here. The destination, I paste it here. Click on add record. Once that's done, you have to add the second record. The second record's names here, I'll just copy that. Go back to my DNS settings, CNAME. Now I'll delete the @ and paste the name I have copied, and the destination should be this one. So I'll just copy that and paste it in the target section. Click add. That's it. Now go back to your blogger settings and hit save. Now there's an option called redirect domain. So you have to enable this. Someone enters trustappliance.in instead of adding www at the start. Then what this setting does is it will automatically redirect this domain to www.trustappliance.in. So you should enable this one, and also enable the HTTPS availability. That's it. It might take some 5 to 10 minutes for these changes to happen, so I'll pause the video now. I'll come back when the domain has successfully connected. Alright guys, it's been 10 minutes. I've checked the domain and it's working perfectly. Here, let me show you guys again. So I'm setting trustappliance.in. As you guys can see, it's working perfectly. That's how you connect a custom domain with Blogger to make it look more professional. So see you guys later.
Wow, it's been nice having the owner of Smart Hustlers here. So, guys, before you go, I want to let you know that Market Legit is a YouTube channel that teaches you how to grow your market and your business online, showing you different trick and hack to get you the potential customers you want. So, please do us a favor by clicking on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so when we upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you. Please subscribe. Don't forget subscribe. Thank you.